In this video, we will be taking calcium hydroxide and adding heat to it, a constant supply of heat to make calcium oxide and water. And the calcium hydroxide is a white powder. So it's in the test tube. You can go ahead and put it into the flame now. So one thing that you might notice is there's a little crack that has formed in that white column of powder, and also the white powder itself is starting to move up the test tube. That crack just opened up a little bit, and there is a gas forming in there right now that is expanding and moving that substance around in there. Near the mouth of the test tube, it might be hard to see, we can typically see water condensation, and it's not obvious. I can see a little bit of it right in there, some water condensation. And the two products in this reaction are calcium oxide and water. And one of the questions that you have to answer in this lab that I do asks you what the substance is that's making it. You can really see the condensation now at the mouth of the test tube. I will give you a hint. The calcium oxide is a white powder. So this is a white powder, calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide is a white powder. They're indistinguishable from each other. So there is only one option that gas could be that's forcing those columns of white powder to separate. Another thing is this reaction requires constant heat in order for it to take place. It will not take place unless we have added constant heat. So there's a question for you to answer on whether this is exothermic or endothermic, and that should give you a clue as to what that answer should be.